Hello, if you've watched this before, you know the drill. I'm just going to talk over this stuff I did. If you're new here, I give my presets away for free if you're interested. A good rule to have when doing street photography is always look at people's hands. I think they tell a lot of emotions. You can shoot low, bam. Not the greatest, but I'm glad I did it. But then, shortly after, at next bus stop, I seen this old man in a bright red jacket. I'm like, you know what, I'll photograph that. Personally, these first two photos aren't that great, but you need to start your day just taking photos just to get in the rhythm of it. As we're coming along here towards Edinburgh Street, I see these people coming and I'm like, oh, this is a perfect little gang you've got going on here. Took the shot of the three of them all kind of looking in the same way. I really love it because I've set it to 24mm, so you're getting to get the wide angle approach. The only thing that annoys me is how colourful the guy on the left is in comparison to everyone else. Yeah, now as I look at it, I'm looking closer. Why have I edited everything in the highlights so teal like? I'm not going to change it, I'm going to keep it as that so you can understand like mistakes are made, and this is why you should like edit and then leave it a couple of days and come back to it. Look at how teal all the windows are in that car is. Like, that's too much. Like, a little goes a lot and a lot ruins it. Heading up Edinburgh Street, I was kind of looking at this guy in yellow and I was like, how do you match colours? Well, here is a yellow leading line into a man in a yellow jacket. Quickly snap, snap, snap. Thank God for the auto focusing on this camera. The R6 is beautiful. I really like this photo. Went straight on Instagram. Replug it and follow me on Instagram. Now, as we're heading up the Royal Mile, I noticed these two women here that are on their phones, just having a wee chit chat. So I was like, let's get a wee snap of them walking straight into it. They're looking about. I kind of like the shape of this photo, how they're looking in different directions, but kind of in towards each other. Walking a bit further up, another two women. They are having a wee chit chat, so I got a photo of that, and I kind of like it. I was struggling with the edit of it. As I'm walking along here, this woman here, I liked her kind of action. Got a wee shot of that as well. Like I was saying, I'm not thrilled with all of them. I just want to show you my process, and not every photo that you take is a banger. Seeing these people here in the crowd, look at that, kind of like it. But oh my goodness, I've just noticed, what am I doing with my teal highlights? They're far too high. Oh, that's annoying me now, but I'm going to keep it because I need to know to stop over editing photos. It's so easy to do. But look at how teal it is. Oh my god, it's terrible. Still, presets are free. So if you use my presets, please just pull down the teal a little bit. I've seen these people kind of in the thing. I don't know what this is. Construction, I guess. Nice and easy shot. Nothing too special. There wasn't a great amount going on, but it was a good kind of framing shot. I really like this shot that's about to come up here actually. Just the scale of it. Thank you again, having that 24mm lens on, and the fact that they were kind of all alone. It's really nice. Walking down the street a bit more, and again, same thing. But there was a lot of people, a lot kind of going on, and I got this shot. It kind of balanced out okay, so that's why I kind of like it. I was really hoping it was just be one person, but still happy with it. As I'm coming along here, I've seen this person, yellow, orange bags, orange hat, orange bench. There we go, stands out. As we're walking a bit further down, there's this kind of like line of people coming. Took that shot. I'm getting, the teal is just a bit too high for me in all these photos. And then walking down just a little bit more, two people having a wee chit chat. You can't see in the GoPro footage, but if you look at the camera on the bottom left, you can see the Edinburgh Castle, and I kind of like this shot. I cropped it as a 1x1. Don't ask me why, I just thought it was nicer. That's something I think people need to do a bit more, is just really change the crop in your photos. I know Instagram is only your two main ones, if you're 4x5s and your 3x2s, but have fun with the cropping. Like the Lightroom app lets you add borders to fill those ratios, so just have a bit of fun with it. Coming along here, a little reflection in the bus, and I was just kind of seeing what we could do. I don't hate it, but there's just nothing really going on with it. As I was walking further down this street, I noticed these two doors I quite liked, and there was someone coming, so I was like, I'll wait for them to come. Boom. I kind of like the balance of it, and obviously at this point when I was editing, for some reason I've kind of fixed the teal, and it's now going a bit more orange, but yo, who knows what I was up to. Coming along here, there's this old woman walking. I was like, I'm going to get a wee slow shutter of people trying to walk past her, oncoming to me. People weren't close enough to her. I think the photo just looks a little bit over edited again. Why did I do this to myself? Coming down the street, and you guessed it, someone else on their phone, so I'm going to try and get a wee photo as I just fire past, trying to see how close I can get. I think because of the glass, it's kind of like killed a lot of the contrast and the clarity in this photo. special in them. I have used some subject masking to like bring them out a bit more. Coming down a bit further, this person was just standing still, so I was getting slow shutters of bikes going past, and then this bus came past, and I really quite like this one because the bus kind of filled the whole frame up because of the drag on the shutter. And I was like, I'm going to try a bit more of this on this busy street. So this person was in the middle of the road with me, so as the cars were coming towards us and then turning off to the right, again just doing slow shutters, and a wee mix of cropping there for you, a wee 1x1 and then 16:9. Coming on to the very end there, someone on their phone again. Man, Ezra, get more creative. Stop taking photos of people on their phone. Stop using a 16:9 crop because you think it looks cool. As you can see, the footage just stopped. That's because I turned it off to go into Waverley, although I did get this one final photo. I'm not too thrilled on the edit now I'm looking at it. Quite like that photo. Anyway, thanks for watching this whole video again. Like I say, the presets are going to be down in the description, and please, please, please keep an eye on that colour grading. The shadows are orange and the highlights are teal. Please just bring them down a bit if you're noticing they start to look like mine. Learn from my mistakes. But also thanks to everyone who's already downloaded them. There's been quite a few and it's been quite surreal. Let me know how you're getting on. I'd love to see some of your photos with my presets because that will go straight to my ego. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Love yous.